So I ordered DB Method. It's an exercise machine for my lower back. And it came yesterday. So na-unbox ko na siya. I just want to show you how to assemble it. This is actually a gift from my daughter. It's a good squat machine for your lower back. I just searched it up and saw it on ads in FB, Google, and they have good reviews. Kaya I chose to buy this one. Okay. Siyempre may love song tayo, di ba? Okay. So I think this is parang ganito siya. Pero I think we need to put the paa first. Ito yung feet niya. So they have four, of course. It's always like 4 legs, right? And this one has the gulong. So when you store it away, you can use the gulong. So we're just gonna turn it upside down the other way. So this is the front and this is the back. So sa back yung meron siyang parang screw here para malagay ito. Good luck to me. You have to press it down. Man, my love warm and tender. I love 80s music. Well, mahilig ako sa love song, so. Okay, so the other side, same process. Push it down and then put this in. This is actually a good support so it doesn't slide, I guess. Need ko na mag-exercise kasi I gained so much weight. So now it's my 6th day today with no rice. So far, so good. Medyo nag-lose ako ng weight. Just a story, behind the story. When I first came here 2016, the first year because I wasn't working, wala pa akong trabaho nun. So I actually gained too much. I gained maximum of 180 pounds. Na sobrang, I felt depressed. I felt so sad kasi wala nang magkasyang damit. And then, so, I started working again 2017. So, it was 1 full year just inside the house. Cooking, eating, watching. Very, very slow lifestyle. No exercise, you know. And then, so, 2017, I started losing my weight again. And then, so, just to cut the story short, 2018, we went on an Alaska cruise, nag-treat ang mami ko sa aming lahat, the whole family. So, all of us weighed kasi we were wanting to know kung magigain kami ng weight sa 1-week cruise. So I really remember I was 170 pounds before we went on a 1-week cruise. So when we went back, because we exercised there, we had like table tennis every night. So, hindi ako nag-gain ng weight. After 1-week cruise, I was the same, 170 pounds. So anyway, to cut the story short again, last December 26, I was bedridden for more than almost 2 weeks. Like I couldn't do anything. I was so sad. I think it was the one of the darkest part of my life. I couldn't. I was crawling to the bathroom. My coworkers, of course, my son was here to help. They were all here, supporting me, helping me. My coworker La Arnie, I was very thankful of her. She gave me a bath and changed my bed sheets. And all other my coworkers gave financial support. They came here. They sent me food. They sent a lot of food, so I keep on. I was actually eating again, back to eating again. So I also felt depressed because of what happened to me. So in short, so we flew to Canada December 26. I was weighing 168 pounds. And then so, syempre, nasa vacation ka, you still keep on eating, right? So when I came back here, and then we got positive of COVID, I actually wrote that story on my Facebook that we got tested positive, both of us, my son and I. And luckily, we got tested negative before our flight. So we came back here January 14, and I told myself, because my mom advised me and my sister said, this 2022, maybe you should focus on yourself, losing weight, not just to look good, but to actually feel good, to be healthy, to change your lifestyle, to lazy lifestyle to a healthy lifestyle, active lifestyle. And that is what's good for me, because the doctor told me I cannot be sitting too long, I cannot be laying down too long, because it's not good for my back. I really have to walk and move and exercise. There are a lot of good exercises on YouTube that I found. That's good for my herniated disc. My herniated disc is here in L5, S1. S1 means sciatic nerve. L5 is the lumbar. Number 5, which is in your tailbone. So anyway, it's a bulge disc. That's what made me disabled, and because of the sciatic nerve, the numbness, the tingling, and everything. So now I told myself, for 2022, I'm going to change my lifestyle. I will focus on losing weight for my lower back to feel good. Well, bonus na lang yung to look good, right? But to actually feel good about yourself. So my mom and my daughter, my sister, they all helped me. My daughter and my mom, they helped me so also financially, and they gave me money. So I would think, I bought this online, but I would think that this is their gift for me, because this is a part of their gift. And so yeah, I'm assembling it. So I put the paa now. So I think I made it wrong, because it's supposed to be the other way. Yeah, it's supposed to be the other way. Supposed to be this way, right? Not this way. Kasi babalik ka rin ko siya. Merong ads. Ayoko ng ads. Gusto ko ng music. Sino sabing hindi natin kaya mga babae mag-isa para gawin to? Kaya natin. Kahit wala tayong partner, okay lang, masaya. We can do a lot of things. Before, I used to think that relationship makes me happy, and that's all that completes me at all. Now I realize you should be happy being alone. You should feel the happiness from within yourself, and not because from other people. You can't be happy because you're with someone, and you think that makes you happy. No, I just realized now you can be happy. You have kids, you have your family that supports and love you, So dun pa lang happy ka na dapat. Okay, anyway, it's just a short story. Mahirap sa'yo lagay, ha? Mali pa. There you go. Sana lang. Maybe this time. Ayaw nitong isa. This is my first content for 2022. I decided to make a video. You know, something to watch. Siguro 5 years from now, you know, you want to watch this up 2022, what were you doing, how did you look, or ang hirap nito isa. There you go. Yun! Okay, now I will turn this around. You'll be loved and they'll find. So, meron siyang kasamang mat. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo yung mat. But anyway, I'm turning this around. So, you see? Kaya siya may gulong sa likod kasi pag in-store mo, pwede mo siyang i-drag like this. You don't need to lift it because it's not good for me to lift as well. Okay, so we'll put this like this because I already watched the video how they assemble this, so I kind of have the idea. I'm not looking at the, you know, the paper that comes with how you assemble it, the instructions. I watched the video because I went out earlier today to wash my car. After my treatment, I went out to get my car washed. So I was watching the video already. So anyway, pause ko lang kasi kunin ko yung ibang parts. I'm back. So ito yung sa, it says place heel here. So wait lang ha. Baba ko yung video. I mean yung camera. Yan. So ito, iaangat ko siya. And then, oh, I will place this here. Okay. So when you put that there, meron siyang parang pin lock siya. Ilalak mo siya dito. For safety when you exercise. And then we will put the chair. I mean the seat, not the chair. There. And then this one is the seat. Pumasok. I-figure out ko muna. Pero anyway, dyan siya. Tapos, this one, have two screws here that goes in the back. These are all for safety. So, okay, later, after ko matapos to, I will show you how it works. Okay? So there. So you have an idea. Parang ganyan siya. Ganyan. So you will sit there and then you will push it down using your butt and then your feet there. I will show you. I'll make a video of that too. Okay. So for now, guys, exercise na tayo. Kailangan kumakain na tayo ng healthy food. And, you know, we learn to love ourselves. Kasi, mahirap mataba. I mean, I don't have anything against the mataba because it's not actually the size it matters, so it's the heart, diba? Pero, mas maganda pa din yung healthy tayo. Kahit mataba pero healthy. Pero sa case ko, it's my weight that's causing my back problem. So that's why I'm trying to lose weight. Okay? So I will make a video again how to use this machine. And I'm happy. I want to thank again my daughter, my mom, my family in Vancouver, all my family in Vancouver for helping me, for buying me this exercise machine, for helping me financially, for the love, unconditional love and everything. I love you all, my kids, all my family. Thank you. Of course, all my friends who's been supporting me. Okay? Bye!